So after you watch your video, you guys are going to create your own model of the life cycle of a butterfly. So in your packet, you should have had a paper plate like this, and then you should have had a bag of noodles that look like this. So I'm just going to dump these out onto my paper plate, and then I'll show you guys what you're going to do with them. Okay, and I'll send you a picture of my finished model, or my completed model. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to take your paper plate, and we are going to create each stage of the butterfly's life cycle. So the first thing you need to do is separate your paper plate into 4 equal parts. And we've been talking about equal parts. Remember, those are called fractions. So separate it into 4s. Okay, the first stage is the egg stage. So you are going to write the word egg and then draw a picture of a leaf, because remember, the butterfly lays her eggs on a leaf. So if you look at the pasta that you have, we have these tiny little pieces, and those are going to be your eggs. So after you draw your leaf, and it might help to draw the entire thing before you glue your pasta on. So after you draw your leaf and you have everything drawn, we're just going to glue these eggs to the leaf. And they're really small, so you have to be really careful. And you can use school glue if you had it. If you have it, I think we put a glue stick in everybody's bag. A glue stick probably won't work very well, but if that's all you have, then that's okay. So you can glue those eggs to your leaf. And then the next stage is the caterpillar stage. And remember, the first thing that the caterpillar does is eat its shell, and then it eats the leaf that it's laid on. So here is a routine for the caterpillar. So there is your caterpillar pasta. Glue it to your leaf. And then the next stage is the chrysalis. Okay, so I've drawn a tree branch here, and we've talked about how I am not an artist. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw your tree branch, and then, or a branch of some sort, and then you're going to glue your shell pasta to the branch like this. Okay, and then the last stage is the butterfly, and this is your butterfly pasta. So I went ahead and just drew my antennae on there. So we're just going to glue the butterfly pasta just like that. So this is what your completed life cycle model should look like.